By 1800, Spanish control over Texas had effectively vanished, and the situation continued to deteriorate. One major turning point occurred in 1803, when the United States acquired the Louisiana Territory. That year, President Thomas Jefferson seized the opportunity to double the size of the nation in a single transaction. At the time, Napoleon Bonaparte ruled France and urgently needed funds to support his ongoing wars. Simultaneously, the Haitian Revolution succeeded, ending French control over the island of Haiti. With this defeat, Napoleon abandoned his ambitions of rebuilding a French empire in the New World. Following the French and Indian War that concluded in 1763, France ceded all its territory west of the Mississippi River to Spain. The Spanish also received New Orleans despite being east of the river. However, during the Napoleonic Wars, Spain returned this territory to France. With the loss of Haiti, Napoleon sold the land, totaling 530 million acres for $15 million, which amounted to about 35 cents per acre. For Spain, this was a disaster. The United States, now a new and rapidly expanding neighbor, posed a significant threat. There were far more Americans than there had ever been French settlers, and they were much closer to Spanish territory. The sparse Spanish population in Texas made it extremely difficult to defend the region against a potential American invasion. Furthermore, the boundaries of the Louisiana Purchase were so vague that Thomas Jefferson even claimed the Rio Grande as the border, effectively including Texas. Jefferson, ever the curious statesman, wanted to explore and understand the lands he had acquired. While the famous Lewis and Clark expedition explored the northwestern portion of the Louisiana Territory, Jefferson also sent surveyors into Texas. Zebulon Pike ventured into northern Mexico and Texas as part of his larger expedition of the American West. In response, Spanish authorities dispatched military units to prevent American surveyors from entering the region,